Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I have two amazing websites for you, and both the websites are so amazing. I am sure that you haven't seen these websites before and you will get surprised to see both the websites because these websites actually exist on internet but nobody knows. So I'm gonna tell you what are the websites. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and do not miss any technical video every day. Now the first website which I have in my list is internetmap.net. Yes, when you open this website it will come up like this. This is the dots which you will be getting. It looks very normal, you won't see anything on this one, but when you start zooming this website it will show you some names. See this? These are the names. That's a yahoo.com, google.com and twitter.com, facebook.com. Actually this is an internet map. All these dots which you can see, these are the symbol of websites which are there on internet. The big circles are the big websites which are very much popular, and the smaller one are the less popular on internet. If I zoom these websites, any one of them, the small one, this is Twitter, and this one is LinkedIn. And if I zoom more, I will be getting more website. Even you will be finding on this website you haven't heard about it. See all of them, these are the small symbols you can see here, and you can also come to know the popularity of the website with this website. See these are the main website which are there on internet, that is Google, Facebook, YouTube, and Yahoo is little less popular right now, and same as Twitter as well. So it will be really amazing if you go to this website and start searching some of the website and look for the website which are there on different countries, what websites are very popular and which one is less popular. You can also come to know on this website. This website is really crazy. You should try this website. That's internetmap.net. I will be putting the link in the description. Now let's talk about the second website, and the second website is also really amazing. And let's go to the Google Chrome for that website, and the name of the website is alternativito.net. Yes, this is also really amazing website. If you reach on this website, you will be getting this page. This is a normal page which you will be getting. This website can tell you the alternative of any application, any website, anything. You can find it on this website. Let's suppose you are looking for a alternative website of YouTube. Simply just type here YouTube and then search this one, and this website will let you know what are the alternative websites of YouTube, where you can able to see the videos and everything. See this is the PureTube, you can see here, and if I scroll it down here, you will be getting BitCute, NewPipe, Vimeo. All these are the applications which are similar and alternative web applications of YouTube. So you can easily find the alternative of any application or any website on this website. Let me try one more here. I'm gonna try here Instagram. So here we go. I'm gonna search here Instagram, and if I scroll it down here, I got this pixel feed. And then if I scroll it more little bit, that's a Flickr, and then the 500px. So these all are the alternative of Instagram as well. If you are looking for the alternative of any application of Google Play Store, then you can reach on this website and you can simply just type the name and you will be getting the alternative of that website. So both the websites are really amazing. You should try both the website. Link of both the website I will be putting in the description. You can check it from there. Any question related to this, simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.